How many hours have you wasted stitching together email, SMS, and push notification services? Fragmented systems, inconsistent UX, missed messages. It's a maintenance nightmare. Our notification system pack solves this with a unified RESTful API supporting webhooks, SMTP IMAP integrations, Twilio for SMS, and Firebase Cloud messaging for push. Imagine a preference center built with Redis for real time updates, delivery tracking with Kafka powered analytics, and pre built handlebars templates for transactional emails. This isn't just for full stack devs. Back end engineers, product managers, and mobile devs will love it too. Finally, a solution that doesn't require a coffee IV to manage. Here's what's inside the Notification System Pack: API Gateway with RESTful endpoints for cross channel orchestration, Preference Engine using Redis to store user settings, Analytics Dashboard with Kafka streams for real time delivery metrics, Template Library featuring handlebars and MJML for responsive emails, Delivery Status Engine tracking read receipts and error codes, Compatibility Layer for Twilio, Firebase, and SendGrid. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists, and it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Your notification stack just got a full body upgrade. Installing the notification system pack takes one command: npx quanta skills add notification system pack. That's it. You get the entire workflow: API gateway, preference engine, analytics dashboard, and all 7 notification modules. No config hell. Your next Claude code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now knows API endpoints, template syntax, and delivery metrics. Skip the heroics. Your team will think you fixed everything during lunch. Ready to ship perfect notifications? Let's go.